People now, they assume I'm younger because of a head of hair. And so they'll approach me as a younger individual rather than approaching me as an older individual. Before it'd always be, oh sir, oh sir, oh sir. Now it's like, hey buddy, hey guy, right? So you notice the difference in almost respect and almost just the way people perceive you, right? People just think of me now as like a guy in my 20s. As before they were thinking, oh, he's like some dad, some, older guy. Hi, my name is Harsh. I'm an engineer. I currently work with Shoppers Drug Mart. I've been a hair system user for about the last 3 months now. I started losing my hair about 6-7 years ago. I was like 19, 20. That's when it started, really. I started noticing that more hair was falling out of my comb, and there was just a little more patchiness in my hair. And that's been progressing for the last like 5, 6, 7 years. And the last 2 years, it started being more noticeable. I had more patches on my hair. So then I shaved it fully, and I was fully bald for a year and a half. All of them. I tried everything. Hair oils, I tried different shampoos, I tried different combs, I tried everything that I could find online. I tried everything, and it didn't really help at all. I like the fact that, I feel like I look a little bit younger than before. Like without any hair, it adds quite a bit to the age. So everyone was thinking I was in my 40s, and I don't know, I'm not ready for that yet, so. I found that my choice of the way I dress has changed, because before everything I'd be pairing it with a hat, baseball hat, right? Any kind of hat, always wearing hats, no matter what. Now, I don't need to wear hats as much. It's nice, right? So the accessory choice is now different. Right now I can just style my hair instead of always having to have a hat in every situation. Sometimes even formal situations. I'll be wearing a suit and then I'm trying to wear like some kind of a hat to cover the head. The good thing about this is the shaving option is never gone. If I want hair, I can have hair. If I don't want to have hair, I can just shave it. If you can afford it and you want to do it, it's a good option, right? I think, it's not for everybody. A lot of the times the shave option is super cheap. You just do it, get it done. This is a little more expensive and a little more maintenance, but if you like the idea of having hair, this is good. It looks, most of the people that I work with, most of the people that I'm in interaction with, they just thought it was natural. They just thought I got a haircut. They weren't really paying attention, obviously, but they liked it. So I like it, I'm happy, it makes me happy. So yeah, if you're interested, I think it's a good option. Superhairpieces gave me a full head of hair, so I can't be anything but grateful, I appreciate what Superhairpieces has done, and it's a good service, I think that people should know about it, and if they want to use it, it's available to them locally, so it's good.